also flown by the Royal Air Force, that's correctly said by Ben, Tier 1 and Tier 4, but this is the very first time an Italian aircraft shows up here with a special livery. So please everybody cheer up and welcome this flying piece of contemporary history coming up, upside down. Showtime! Panavia A-200 strikes up the music with an inverted flight, and after its first upside-down flypast, you see the wings sweeping to the maximum span while the pilot turns left to perform a daring turn. Conceived in the early 70s, it's another lots of flying device which now rigged the new generation combat aircraft. It's a supersonic aircraft which can fly as fast as 0.3 Mach, which is around 2,400 kilometers per hour. By the way, in next slow flypast, we have got a chance to hear the voice coming from the cockpit.
Italian Tornado crew, warmly welcome the ladies and gentlemen for the RIAT AirShow, and thanks everybody to be here today. Ciao! Molto bene, grazie. Io così, ottimo, vai.
This slow flypast at the lowest possible speed, around 100 km per hour. Livery are going to Italian Air Force Tornado, A-200 the first British test pilot that flew exceeding the speed of sound, the crew is now setting up the Tornado for a simulated touch-and-go landing. If you were on board, you would hear the navigator call 25 maneuver, gears down, which literally means fully extended wings, landing gear out, headlights on, pretending to be touching the runway in the touch-and-roll feature. Then you put the pilots through the ringer as they enter the force, 3 times stronger than gravity on Earth. Deactivated over the whole display, except for the flight room, in order to have a better maneuverability at low speed. And now our triple aileron roll will follow. The first, the second, and the third. Despite today's special livery, the multi-role combat aircraft Tornado has a rather retro feel, as befits a 4-decade-old model approaching the end of its time in service. It started in 1974 and entered service in 1980. And it still has a major advantage on the newer models thanks to its unmatched air-to-ground features. Back at the center of the display line, here comes a roll under turn, which you can appreciate high and multi-role combat aircraft Tornado, jointly developed by UK, Germany and Italy, logged shed-loads and shed-loads of flying hours, pain in the neck of the enemy's air defense. He said to have already trespassed the threshold of his fabric spare force. Now it's time to call it a day. Freestyle climb to exit. Pointing the crowd, roll under 60s for us. Last chance for us to bid farewell to this aircraft, which literally changed European defense history.
The Flight Control Committee at RAF Cosford, and just 1 month ago when we had the display, we awarded a very good special mention to the Italian display. It was one of the few fast jets that we had on display there, but the colour scheme and the way the display evolved to fit the surrounding countryside of Cosford was fantastic, and thank you very much indeed. It was a privilege to have you there, and a privilege to have you here at the Royal International Air Tattoo.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mark. It was our pride to win a prize, to be awarded the prize at Cosford, and thank you for your nice words.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Sit down. Get down, please, mate.
Not the last we'll hear from Mike, not the last we'll see from the Italian Air Force, as the Tornado, rather than employing its reverse thrust, makes a very impressive aerodynamic braking run down Fairford's main runway. Yeah, that's one of the ways to slow the aircraft down without using the wheel brakes or the reverse thrust. With the angle of attack there's a huge amount of impact.
Units have given the team their identity. Today, the patrol list showcases the commitment and strength of Switzerland's armed forces and our Air Force. The solo team consists of Kyle Lasha and Michael Thomas. Ladies and gentlemen, please stop using well and enjoy the show